Hey, what is on guys? Cloud here. And today's video is my resell predictions and resell guide and what I'm going to be copying type video for the Supreme FW20 week 2 drop. If you guys haven't done so already, you guys should definitely go enter my Supreme Photo Tee giveaway to celebrate me hitting 5,000 subscribers. It's the very first link in the description down below and it only takes like a minute to enter, so definitely go enter it. Before I start the video, I would like to tell you guys about my Discord. It is a free Discord, anyone can join it. You guys can click the link down below. You guys want to join Discord and like talk about Supreme, talk about the resell. I have resell predictions and all that kind of stuff in there, so definitely go join that if you guys want to join the CLDY gang and be a part of my free Discord. But looking at the drop this week, it is highlighted by the Nike and Supreme collaboration, which is nice, but it isn't the most hyped collab because there isn't any like crazy looking apparel. And it isn't a shoe, which is like the most popular items from Nike and Supreme collabs. So in terms of resell, I only would recommend you to cop the metal folding chair, the Nike crew neck, and the Nike anorak. The chair is definitely going to be a solid piece to cop for the resell. There's a good chance that you're going to be able to cop more than one because the last season, the lawn chair, you could cop two. And there's a good chance you can cop two of these in the same cart, which is going to be very nice. So definitely look out for that. If you're in the US, look at the EU drop and see if they let you cop two in the same cart or not, because that'd be very nice to know, because I recommend copping two to save on the shipping, because every little bit matters when it comes to reselling when the resell isn't too crazy. And the chairs are a nice hold item. If you want to hold these items, they're going to go up in price eventually, and that's a very smart technique. I think these are going to be easily reselling for like 150 around that price after like a year or so, so definitely hold it if you can. If not, I can see these reselling for around like $80, maybe like $90. On the lower end, maybe around 75, so yeah, not a bad cop to go for. Next item up, we got the Supreme Nike Jewel crew neck. For this, I highly advise you going for the black colorway if you do want to resell. I think that black is going to be a little bit better than orange and white, which I believe are going to be around the same range for the resell. To maximize your chances of reselling, I highly recommend you cop the black one in either small or XL, because those are the best sizes to resell. So definitely go for a small, that's the best size, and an XL, that's the second best size. Because these aren't going to be a crazy resell item, I don't think so. So like definitely go for the best size possible. Do not go for a medium. I think medium might be a bit risky, and like a medium, let's say medium white or medium orange, I don't think that'll resell at all, to be honest. Next up, we got the Supreme Nike Jewel reversible ripstop anorak. Now these, I think all three colorways are going to be solid pieces because they are reversible, so that's like very dynamic and it makes it a lot better. I'm hearing that the white and blue one is going to resell for the most because it is very clean. I actually think that's the cleanest one. That's the one I would want. And then the black one, obviously black is just very nice. And orange one is probably going to be the least resell. So definitely go for the white one if you can, and the black one is your backup option. Also do the same thing with the sizes. Go for size small or size XL. Maximize your chances of reselling because you do not want to risk losing money, like I said. And those are just the two safest colorways, so definitely go for small or XL if you want to like maximize your chances of making profit. And honestly, after that, nothing else from the drop is really going to grab you much money for the resell. A lot of personal items like the flask, I don't think this thing will resell at all. It's very small, so it's very unlikely that it's going to have good resell. And then nothing else is honestly too eye-catching, so I definitely think that those three items are definitely going to be your go-tos. Everything else is going to be personals only. Personally, I'm going to be trying to grab a lot of these chairs. I think I'm going to be grabbing the red colorway because I think that's by far the better colorway. Especially in terms of reselling, red Supreme accessories is going to be a lot better than almost every single color. So definitely go for the red one if you want to focus on the resell. And that's all I have for this video. So leave in the comments down below what is your plan for tomorrow's drop. Like I said, I'll be trying to grab the chairs for sure. Everything else is going to be secondary. Chairs is going to be my main focus. Honestly, I don't think I'll cop anything else. I don't want to risk it, but the chair, I'm going to grab the chairs. Leave a like down below if this video helped you guys out, or if you did enjoy the video, I do appreciate all likes you guys drop me. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Guess I'm just a crash test. 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 Girl,